Tripura. So this is my humble request to all the youths: do not participate in such violence, where the only beneficiaries are the corrupted leaders who are taking advantage of your precious time and energy to gain political power and money for themselves and not for our Tripuras. One important thing that we all should remember is that we are living in a democratic country where we the people choose our leader. The leaders don't choose us. That's our rights and responsibility. And presently our only leader, who has been selflessly working for the people, even though he's not associated with any political party or organization, is our Bobagram, His Highness. So I request to all our Tripura leaders, please come together and support our Bobagram's vision for our people. I believe that only he can unite us and change the system and lead our youth to a better future and save our existence. Humble.